Hey DIYers, I'm just sorting out the shower. Now I'm going to put round some silicone so it stops all water coming out of the shower. Then I'll press my other tile against it. This is where the screen goes, everyone. For those ones that are wanting me to explain, this is where the screen goes. So when water goes through the grout line, it'll follow the waterproofing, run under the waste and down the hole. It's all joined to the puddle flange and waterproofed to the puddle flange. So maybe we will fix up the DIY's mistakes. We'll get there. We'll help him out a bit. He's tried his best. But when you're not quite sure on people and you're watching my videos, just send me a quick text. Ask the question, I will return it. I will return your text with your question answered. When the screen goes over that, we're laughing. Also, the other thing is, people, always put your waste in as you go. I've mixed up a bit of mud here. See how the waterproof, I did that, it's fresh this morning. I was fixing up what he hasn't quite done properly, but you get that. What can you do? He's busy trying to work too, feed his family. So you don't go up in arms and say, oh, that's not done, that's not done. Oh well, you just do a bit, help him out. He's trying to get things done with all the rising prices around the world of everything. You help each other out. So if you have any questions, anyone, just don't hesitate to ask me. Don't wonder. So we'll pop that waste in there now. That is slightly smaller than the puddle flange, and the idea of that is that the water, the grout soaks through the tile, hits the waterproof membrane, bypasses this and runs straight down into the hole. I've got to get a rubber hammer just to push that down in a sec, so don't let me forget. I would spread my whole floor out here, but I haven't marked for the toilet pipe yet. I haven't marked my tile, so I'll just lay this. Then I can mark that tile and then I'm able to then carry on and do the whole floor, and then on to the next one. Yeah, I don't reckon they're a good tile, these, but anyway, I don't have to be super flash there because the screen goes over that. Like so. I like it. Wrong way around, Crusoe. Cut edge against the cut edge. Oh, nice. Years ago it was all the Italian tile I used to lay. They were quite expensive, but they were, this is years ago, and then the Chinese have skonked the market. They don't make too bad a tile. Australians can't make tiles to save themselves. The Italian tile has always been good quality, beautiful. Right, I'll get a hammer and rubber hammer and tap that tile down. Right, I'm good to go now. That's where the screen goes, over that. It's a 900 by 800